Okay, we lost the recording for a little bit, but we're back now.
Tapaka lay video teo fa so zany zay de tafaverina ndray.
So we might have to back up just a few sentences.
Verina kely zay satria mba ahafantarana hoe taiza niafaran'le video farany teo talohan'ny nahatapahana.
We were talking about the prologue.
Niresakitsika zany ny am'le teny fanolorana na ny introduction.
We're talking about Satan being questioned by God.
Momba ny Satana izay nanontanian'Andriamanitra fanontaniana.
And so God has pointed out Job.
Andriamanitra de niteny any Satana hoe efa hitanao ve io mpanompoka Joba io.
And Satan takes away Job's possessions, and still Job is faithful.
Efa nalainy Satana ny fananany Joba sy ny fananany Joba kanefa ny I Joba de mbola toetra tamin'Andriamanitra ihany.
And then Satan asked God, "Let me touch Job personally."
De hoy Satana tamin'Andriamanitra hoe aleo tiako mivantana I Job.
And if you let me touch Job, then he will curse you.
Ary rehefa tiako raha avelanao mikitika any Joba ozy izy de tsy maintsy anompanao I Job.
And God says, "Okay, you can touch Job."
De eny ara ozy izy Andriamanitra afaka kitianao Job.
Now this creates a very strange situation.
Zay zavatra zay de lasa miteraka zavatra étrange hafahafa.
It's almost like God and Satan are having a competition.
Ohatran'ny hoe lasa misy fifaninana na compétition entre ny Joba sy Andriamanitra. Satana sy Andriamanitra.
And Job is the playing field.
De Joba no terrain ilalaovana.
That's not very satisfying.
Zany de zavatra tsy de tena mahafapo loatra.
But that's what leads into why Job is sick in the first place.
Fa zay kanefa no mitarika ny antony hoe inona no naparary an Job.
And they also added the conclusion.
De hitako fa nampiny zareo koa ny teny famaranana.
Chapter 42, verses 7 through 17.
Toko faharoa amby efapolo andininy fafito ka hatramin'ny fito amby folo.
And where section 4 kind of told Job his place in the universe, section 5 says something more.
Ny section fahaefatra, section 4 zany, Andriamanitra manome ny toeran'ny Joba eto amin'ity univers ity, ary ny eo amin'ny section fadimy eto amin'ny teny famaranana na ny épilogue de mbola miteny zavatra de plus.
And in section 5, we find out that maybe Job is nothing, but God calls him a friend.
Ary ny épilogue zany na le teny famaranana io de miteny hoe ngamba ozy izy I Job nilaza ny tenany hoe tsinitsinina ininona izy fa Andriamanitra kosa de miantso azy ho namana.
Section 5 tells us that Job has stayed faithful to God through the whole thing.
Ny section fadimy de milaza fa I Joba de mijanona mpanompo mahatoky ka hatramin'ny farany.
And in one of the most remarkable passages, section 5 shows God answering Job's friends.
Ary eto amin'ny section fadimy ty koa ny ahitantsika ny an'Andriamanitra mamaly ireo naman'i Joba anankiefatra ireto.
And for all the things that they said in section 2, God says in section 5, "You lied about me."
Ary ny amin'ny zavatra rehetra izay nolazain'ireo naman'ireo teo amin'ny sectary amin'ny section faharoa, eto amin'ny section fahadimy, Andriamanitra de miteny an'ireo naman'i Joba ireo hoe nareo de nilaza lainga momba ahy.
And God tells the three friends, you should ask Job to be forgiven.
Ary Andriamanitra dia miteny amin'ireo namany telo Joba telo ireo hoe nareo dia tokony mangataka famelan-keloka avy amin'ny Job.
And if Job forgives you, then I will forgive you.
Ary raha mamela anareo i Joba dia izao Andriamanitra mamela anareo.
And then it says that in the end, Job got everything back.
Ary aty amin'ny farany koa dia hitantsika fa voasoratra hoe Joba dia nahazo ny zavatra rehetra very verina amin'ny daholo.
He had strong sons.
Nahazo zanaka lahy matanjaka izy.
His daughters were the most beautiful in the land.
Ny zanany vavy dia anisan'ny vehivavy tsara indrindra eran-tany.
And he got twice as much possessions as he had before.
Ary nahazo ny double ny oatra noho izay efa teo aloha, very teo aloha, noho ny teo aloha azy.
So section 5 gives us a happy ending.
Ka ny section fahadimy faran'ity zany dia manome antsika heureux conclusion, chapitre famaranana tsara zany.
But it never gives us a good answer as to why we suffer.
Fa tsy manome antsika valiteny mazava hoe nahoana isika no mijaly.
Next time, we'll talk about the way that we read Job now as a complete book.
Manaraka isika dia iresaka momba ny what are we going to talk about? Iresaka
The way
tsika
we
momba
read
ny
Job as a complete book now that we have it all together. This is how we read it.
Manaraka tsika dia iresaka amin'ny fomba ny famakinan'ny Joba izay voarakitra hoe hatramin'ny voalohany ka hatramin'ny farany amin'ny fomba famakintsika azy amin'izao fotoana zany ahoana fomba famakintsika azy amin'izao fotoana.
Next time.
Manaraka indray.